Rain streaking down the glass painted day. Another Tuesday fading slowly. Headlights blur through the urban gray haze, lost in the rhythm of these winding ways. Walk these blocks and mill these winding ways, lost in the rhythm of these winding ways. Walk these blocks a million times before, whispering tales by the subway door. Just the echo of a faded sign's gleam, waking us up from a half-forgotten dream. Oh, the colors shift beneath the sky, a memory caught before I learned to fly. Just a flicker now, a ghost in the light, making everything feel bittersweet tonight. Sixth Street sign, flashing red and white, haunting the corner in the fading twilight. Just the echo of laughter down the way, echoes of the Sixth Street sign at the close of day. Oh, the neon hum, the sound of fading sound, spinning around, unforgotten ground. Saw a face today I used to know so well, a story whispered, a story left to tell. The cobblestones remember every footstep stride, every promise whispered, nowhere left to hide. Used to gather circles underneath the eaves, believing back in the fallen leaves. We spun our wildest dreams beneath the glow of signs we watched, moving to and fro. The years they stack like bricks up, challenging the meaning of the passing time. Just a whisper now, a scent in the air, a beautiful ache that I still have to bear. Sixth Street sign, flashing red and white, haunting the corner in the fading twilight. Sixth Street signs, like a restless tide, leaving nothing here where we used to confide. Just the phantom buzz, the glimmer and the stain, watching it dissolve before the final fall. Sixth Street sign, flashing red and white, haunting the corner in the fading twilight. Just the echo of laughter down the way, echoes of the Sixth Street sign at the close of day. Oh, the neon hum, the sound of fading sound, spinning around, unforgotten ground. Sixth Street sign, just the echo, the rain keeps falling.